Hi there, students. I'm your professor, Dr. M, and welcome to my Employability Skills class. You're probably asking, why am I wearing this captain's hat? Well, just like a cruise ship captain needs to navigate the waters of the ocean to successfully reach his or her destination, I need for you to navigate through Canvas these first couple of days and access certain information that you need in order to be successful in my class. Let's get started. First, visit the Canvas website. For your convenience, I'll include this website address in the captions of the video. Next, enter your username and your password. If you don't have this information or have difficulty retrieving it, please email me at madrigal_ociel@sac.edu. Again, I'll place my email in the captions of this video for your convenience. Then click Login. Once you've logged in, the first screen you're going to see is Dashboard. Every class that you're registered for with Santa Ana College will appear in your dashboard. All these tiles are called course cards. Again, these are courses that you're registered for with Santa Ana College. Now, let's locate our class. And my class is very easy to identify because I place a very specific image on my course card, which is a brain with a bicep holding a dumbbell. Once you have identified my course card, click on it to access my class. Now you're on the home page. As you can see, class information is here, along with a welcome sign, these red buttons that you can click on to access any module in the course, along with some other information you might want to review. Speaking of information you might want to review, I am asking that you please review the syllabus. You'll be able to locate the syllabus on your left-hand side here on the course navigation pane. Click Syllabus. The syllabus is very important because it sets the expectations for the class. Essentially, it's the contract between me, the professor, and you, the student. Everything you need to know about grading, what you're going to learn, homework, number of hours that you might be required to work on this class, it's all here. So please review it. You need to become very familiar with the syllabus and refer back to it whenever you have a question. Then I will need for you to click on modules again on the left hand side in the course navigation pane. In modules, I will need for you to review the course information module. It has several pages here that contains important information regarding the class. You would start with Welcome to VBUS 400 Employability Skills. You would click on it and again start reading. So you can become familiar with this class. Once you finish reading one page, you can go ahead and click Next here in the bottom if you want to follow up on the next page, or go back and click Modules and then select the page you want to review. Again, you will need to review every single one of these pages before we start the class. And that's pretty much it for now, at least initially. I welcome you all aboard as we embark in this wonderful journey called Employability Skills class. And just know that I'm here to support you in any way that I can. Ahoy.